So we need to express 225 as a sum of two consecutive natural numbers. How do we do this? So first write 225 minus 1 by 2. Find this value 225 minus 1 by 2. What is this? 225 minus 1 is 224 by 2, which is 112. Next find 225 plus 1 by 2. So which is 226 by 2, which is 113. Now you can see that the sum of 112 and 113 will give you 225. So 225 can be written as the sum of 112 and 113, where 112 and 113 are two consecutive natural numbers. We'll see the next one. Express 50 into 52 in the form a square minus 1. So take it up, 50 into 52. Now what is between 50 and 52? Which is that natural number between 50 and 52? 51. So how do you write 51? How do you use 51 and make this 50? So 51 minus 1 is 50. And 51 plus 1 is 52. How did we start? The number that lies between 50 and 52 is 51. Take up that number. Now you know that 51 minus 1 is 50. So see here 50 is 51 minus 1. And you know that 51 plus 1 is 52. So here 51 plus 1. So see here 50 into 52. This is 50 into 52. This is 50 into 52. So now you know the formula. This is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So the answer is a square minus b square. So where a is 51, so a square, 51 square, minus b square, where b is 1. So minus b square, 1 square. So see, we have shown it in the form 51 square minus 1, 1 square is 1. So 50 into 52 can be written as 51 square minus 1, which is clearly in the form a square minus 1. That's what we had to do. We had to write 50 into 52 in the form a square minus 1. And here it is, a square minus 1. See the next one. Again, we need to express 93 into 95 in the form a square minus 1. Similar to this one. Alright. So write out this 93 into 95. So what is the natural number between 93 and 95? 94. So what is 94 minus 1? 93 into what is 95? 94 plus 1. After this is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So the answer is a square minus b square. So 94 square minus 1 square, because a is 94 and b is 1. So 94 square minus 1 square, and 1 square is 1. So we have expressed 93 into 95 in the form a square minus 1. See the next one. Here you need to find the sum of these numbers. And what are these numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are odd numbers. So you need to find the sum of these odd numbers starting from 1. So let's count the number of odd numbers we find here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here you see 11 odd numbers starting from 1. 11 consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. We see 11 consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. So let's assign 11 to n. So let n be 11. Let n be 11. Now the required sum will be n square, that is 11 square, which is 121. You try to find the sum of all this, the answer will be 121, which can be found without the actual addition. We did not add. We used a formula here. Alright, we said let n be 11 because these are the first 11 odd numbers. So let n be 11, square it, n square will give you the answer. So 11 square, which is 121. The sum of all these numbers is 121. See the next one. We need to find the square of 42 without the actual multiplication. We need to find the square of 42 without actually multiplying. So what would you do otherwise? 42 into 42 and give the result. No, you're not supposed to do that. So how do we do it? 42 square. See, find the square of 42 meaning 42 square we have to find. So write 42 as 40 plus 2. Don't write it as 41 plus 1. Write it as 40 plus 2. See, you can write 42 in different ways. You can write 42 in different ways. Choose to write it as 40 plus 2. Alright. So now 40 plus 2 the whole square. 42 is nothing but 40 plus 2 the whole square. So now this is the form a plus b the whole square. So what's the formula? A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what's the value of a? 40. And what's the value of b? 2. So the answer is a square, 40 square plus 2 into a into b, 2 into 40 into 2 plus b square, 2 square. Correct? A is 40, b is 2. A is 40, b is 2. So see here, 40 square plus 2 into 40 into 2 plus 2 square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So simplify this, 40 square is 1600. 2 into 40 into 2 is 160 plus 4. And the sum of these three numbers is 1764. And 42 squared is 1764. This is how we find the value of 42 square without the actual multiplication using an identity.